Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the urgent update of Tron TRX crypto. What's going on this time in a TRX. In this video I will show you, friends, so keep watch. Absolutely, my friends, if you are a holder of TRX, so this video going to be very special, going to be very important for all TRX holders, my friends. So first of all, we look the latest update of the TRX, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move and what is the latest update. You can see here now the latest price of the TRX at this time in the market as 0.07 USD dollar. On the other side, if we look the price of TRX and the BTC, 0.00000208 USD dollar is the latest price of BTC at this time in the market. And same like that, if we look the market cap, if we look the total supply, available supply, 24 hours volume, so everything now in the falls. Very soon they will again take a jump, my friend. Same like that, if we look the available price change occur in the TRX. So absolutely, my friends, you can see here that the whole changes occur in the TRX is negative, still negative. Last 1 week, last 24 hours, last 1 hour, the whole changes occur in the TRX at this time is negative. But that's not mean then you decide to say then you have to lose hope. No, my friends, don't lose hope. It's time to wake up, it's time to patience. If you have a patience, so you will get a profit from the cryptocurrencies market. And if you decide to say, if you have no patience, so you will never get a good amount of profit from the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. Let's see the price chart for more details. What's going on this time in TRX, my friends. My friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the TRX. You can see here in the previous month, the whole month the price of the TRX is falls down, my friends. I'm very sad to see this kind of changes occur in the TRX, my friends. The whole month the price of TRX is fast down, my friends. You can see here after some period of time the prices again start moving upward, gradually start moving upward. So for this time I'm very happy to see this kind of positive trades occur in the TRX, my friends. I'm very happy, my friends, to see this kind of. Now in the start of June they will take a small jump, not take a huge pump, small jump gradually. Now they start moving upward, gradually start moving upward. At the last day will take a huge jump, my friends. I believe that in the last of June they will take a maximum good amount of profit, my friends. So please hold for this month if you decide to sell at this time. So it's showing, my friends, that the last 1 week price change is negative, so you will get loss if you sell. And if you hold, so maybe in the future there's a lot of chances to take a they will give you good amount of profit. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe AB Stake channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.